All right, sixth graders, moving on in the book to Chapter 3, Section 7. We are talking about dividing decimals by a whole number. That is exactly what our I can statement is. I can divide decimals by whole numbers. Okay, example number 1, it reads, find 8 and 73/100 divided by 9. Okay, so first of all, another way you could say this is find the quotient of 8 and 73/100 and 9. Remember that the word quotient is the answer in a division problem. All right, so then that first number that is listed is called the dividend. I always say it's the bear that lives in the den, because this is sort of like a bear den. Okay, now 8 and 73/100 divided by 9, that 9 is called the divisor. All right, now whenever you're dividing by a whole number, I need you to understand, and I'm going to even do it with a crazy marker. When you do not see a decimal, you know that it's right there. It's all the way to the right. So you don't move anything because this is a whole number. You're ready to go. The decimal goes straight up in your answer. I want you to put a dash above the 8, a dash above the 7, and a dash above the 3. And then that way you don't put your numbers in the quotient in the wrong place. Okay, how many times will 9 divide into 8? 0 times. How many times will 9 divide into 87? Well, 9 times 9 is 81. So we're going to go with 9. 9 times 9 is 81. Subtract, bring down. How many times will 9 divide into 63? 7. 7 times 9 is 63, and you're done. Okay, so the 97/100 is called the quotient. Think of this as the anatomy of a division problem. Dividend, divisor, quotient. Okay, looking at example number 2. Find 8 and 58/100 divided by 12. So 8 and 58/100 is the dividend. 12 is the divisor. Now, again, do you see a decimal in your divisor? No. That's because it's a whole number and your invisible decimal is right there. So you don't need to move any decimals. You're ready to go. This comes straight up in your answer. Put a dash above the 8, above the 5, and above the 8. All right. 12 will not divide into 8. How many times will 12 divide into 85? Well, let's think about this. 12 times 7 is 84. Subtract, bring down. 12 goes into 18 one time. Subtract. Go ahead and add a 0 onto that. And actually, I'm sorry, I'm getting a little bit messy myself. That goes with that right there. Bring it down. 12 goes into 60 5 times, and you're done. I apologize. I made that dash. That one goes with this one. That goes with this one. I just got a little bit sloppy. So 8 and, well, in this case, 583 thousandths divided by 12, your quotient is 715 thousandths. Okay guys, that is dividing decimals by whole numbers. Turn your paper over. You have some problems to solve on the back. I want you to do the best you can. Come back, get a key, and check for accuracy. Good luck, guys.